We'll demonstrate woven wheel rose stitch. First, prepare a 40-inch long embroidery thread. To prevent running out during weaving process, let's look at this pattern. This pattern has 5 straight lines. These are foundation lines for rows. We need to stitch these 5 lines first. Come up at end of any straight line. Take down at center point. Stitch 1 straight line. Stitch the other 4 as well. When stitching, don't pull lines too tight. If pulled too tight, later weaving will be difficult. So maintain balanced tension. This way, woven rose shape will be full and dimensional like this. Complete these 5 lines. From back near center point. Come up between any 2 lines. Note, come up at position between 2 lines at center, not at center point. Must not come up at center. If coming up here, then won't be able to weave. After coming up, take needle. Like this, pass over first foundation line ahead. Under second foundation line, thread needle through and pull. Note when threading, only thread, not fabric. Same way, pass over third line above. Thread under fourth line. Fifth line also pass over above. Return to initial first line. Thread underneath. Now first round of weaving is complete. Can see first round's first line. Passed over it above. When doing second round, thread under it instead. Each round will alternate. Which line to pass over, which line to thread under. Following these operation steps, weave this rose stitch. Note when pulling thread, don't pull too tight. If pulling too tight like this, the rose stitch will present. Not this full shape, but somewhat wrinkled. From center stitch, alternate weaving. Gradually expanding outward. If during weaving, repeat here. Accidentally thread under again. Just pull needle back to original position. Then reweave. When weaving this shape, better to go slower. This way reduces error rate, and woven shape will look better. When wound to larger flower shape, thread may cross over top. Can use finger or needle to adjust. Move thread to side. Ensure threading from side, not from top. Weave in sequence. Weave until pattern below is fully covered, forming dimensional rose shape. Then take down here in front. Finally, knot on back. Now one woven wheel rose stitch is complete. Let's see the overall finished effect.